Hello, my name is Taahirah, and I am a learning support therapist that specializes in executive functioning skill development. I have been living and working in Vietnam for the past 11 years in my field, and I'm really excited to do the social and emotional learning workshop with you. I'm going to show you the form that I've created. I know that there are two workshops that are running at the same time on that day. So if you are attending my workshop, I would really appreciate it if you can fill out the survey form. This will help me tailor make the workshop more specifically to the needs that you have. Right? So I'm just going to go through a general understanding of the type of questions I would have. Let's see here. All right, so I know that this might be a question for some of you where you go, why is it important for me to know your name and your age and your gender and all of those things? This is just for me to have a demographical marker of who you are and how does learning in your environment get affected by who you are in relation to the world. It is something I will keep personal and private. No information that you share with me in the survey will be divulged as your own. And it's just a general understanding for me to know where you are at and how do you feel about social and emotional learning. I'm also sending you a presentation. This is not the workshop. It's just a general presentation about the work that I do. In it, you'll find the links to my website, and that will give you a lot more information about the work that I do. And you will see from slides 2 to slides 4, it covers what executive functioning skill development is like, or how do you understand it? And from slides 5 to slides 9, it all talks about social and emotional learning. I would really love this workshop to be a more practical workshop where instead of dealing with concepts and frameworks that feel so difficult to implement, I really want us to understand the basics of why these skill developments are important and how you can implement it in your class on an everyday basis. So I hope to see you soon on the 22nd of February. I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you. And if you wish to know anything more about the work that I do, myself. There we go. If you wish to know anything more about the work that I do or any questions relating to social and emotional learning, please reach out to me via my website, or my phone number is in the information deck that I've sent you to, and I'll be happy to chat to you about it. Have a wonderful Tet Chúc Mừng Năm Mới if you are in Vietnam, and I look forward to seeing you after the break. Bye.